On March 28th, we saw the latest read of Australia's CPI, and it came in lower than expected at 6.8% year over year versus estimates of 7.2%. The decline was led mostly by housing, transport, and recreation, and it caused a quick 0.6% down move in the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. The implication is that the Reserve Bank of Australia may be more likely to pause at the next week's policy meeting. The recent road for the Australian dollar has been rocky as of late, with the currency losing over 8% of its value against the dollar in the month of February. A good part of that loss was tied to the uneven reopening of Australia's most important trade partner, China. Meanwhile, the month of March has been a different story, as the Australian dollar attempted a rally beginning on March 8th, perhaps linked to the potential for a banking crisis in the U.S. that may lead the Fed to more accommodation than anticipated, and to the recent rise in gold, a commodity that correlates strongly with the Australian dollar. Traders will now be closely watching for clues to the RBA's actions at their April 3rd policy meeting. The CME Group offers 3 different size currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. For these examples, we're going to be using the micro. If a trader believes that the Aussie dollar could fall from here, they could express that by selling the June micro Australian dollar futures contract at 0.6700 and targeting a move to the November 10th low of 0.6400. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 0.6900. Now this trade could make $300 if the target is reached and risks $200 if you're stopped out at your level. If a trader believes that the Aussie dollar could rally from here, they could buy the June micro Australian dollar futures contract at 0.6700 and target a move back to the January high of 0.7160. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 0.6450. Now this trade could make $460 if the target is reached and risks $250 if you're stopped out at your level.